Living with mental health issues can be a daily struggle for many people. Finding the right treatment for your individual needs can be a challenge. Lamotrigine is a prescription drug used to treat bipolar disorder, depression, and epilepsy, and can be effective in managing mental health symptoms. This guide will provide an overview of the benefits of lamotrigine, including its effects on mental health, potential side effects, and tips for making the most of your treatment. Lamotrigine has been shown to reduce the severity of mood swings, minimize depressive symptoms, and improve sleep quality. Additionally, it can be used in combination with other treatments, such as psychotherapy and lifestyle changes, to further manage mental health. With the right combination of treatments, you can begin to feel better and manage your mental health symptoms in a healthy way. What is lamotrigine? Lamotrigine is an anticonvulsant and mood-stabilizing medication used to treat bipolar disorder and depression. It is also used to treat epilepsy, and can be taken in combination with other medications to further manage mental health. Lamotrigine is available in both immediate release and extended release formulations, and is taken orally. The most common side effects of lamotrigine are nausea, dizziness, and headache. The exact mechanism of action of lamotrigine is not fully understood. However, it is believed to work by reducing the release of certain neurotransmitters in the brain, such as glutamate and serotonin. By reducing the activity of these neurotransmitters, lamotrigine can help to stabilize mood and reduce the severity of symptoms associated with bipolar disorder and depression. Benefits of lamotrigine for mental health. Lamotrigine has been shown to be effective in managing mental health symptoms. Studies have found that lamotrigine can reduce the severity of manic symptoms, improve sleep quality, and minimize depressive episodes. Additionally, lamotrigine can be used in combination with other treatments, such as psychotherapy and lifestyle changes, to further manage mental health. Lamotrigine has been shown to reduce the severity of manic symptoms, such as elevated mood and irritability. Additionally, it can reduce the frequency of manic episodes and improve sleep quality. For people with depressive symptoms, lamotrigine can help to minimize the severity of depressive episodes, reduce feelings of sadness and hopelessness, and improve overall mood. How lamotrigine works. Lamotrigine works by targeting the neurotransmitters in the brain that are responsible for regulating mood and behavior. It works by blocking the release of certain neurotransmitters, such as glutamate and serotonin, which can help to stabilize mood. Additionally, lamotrigine can reduce the activity of other neurotransmitters, such as norepinephrine and dopamine, which can help to improve mood and reduce the severity of depressive symptoms. Potential side effects of lamotrigine. As with any medication, there are potential side effects associated with lamotrigine. The most common side effects are nausea, dizziness, headache, and fatigue. Additionally, lamotrigine can cause skin rash, hair loss, and weight gain. If you experience any of these side effects, it is important to speak to your doctor immediately. Tips for managing mental health symptoms with lamotrigine. Lamotrigine can be an effective treatment for managing mental health symptoms, but it is important to make sure you are taking it correctly and as prescribed by your doctor. Here are a few tips for making the most of your lamotrigine treatment. Take your medication as prescribed. It is important to take the correct dose of lamotrigine at the correct times. This will help to ensure the medication is most effective in managing your symptoms. Monitor your symptoms. Keep track of any changes in your mental health symptoms and talk to your doctor if you have any concerns. Be patient. It may take some time for lamotrigine to become fully effective in managing your mental health symptoms. Be patient and give the medication time to work. Follow a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep can all help to improve your mental health. Combining lamotrigine with other treatments. Lamotrigine can be used in combination with other treatments for managing mental health symptoms. For example, psychotherapy can be used in combination with lamotrigine to help manage symptoms of depression and bipolar disorder. Additionally, lifestyle changes such as reducing stress and practicing relaxation techniques can be beneficial in managing mental health. How to find the right lamotrigine dosage for you. Finding the right dosage of lamotrigine for you can be a challenge. It is important to speak to your doctor about the best dosage for your individual needs. Your doctor will take into account your age, weight, and medical history when determining the correct dosage for you. Research on lamotrigine's effectiveness. Research on the effectiveness of lamotrigine has been mixed. Studies have found that lamotrigine can be effective in managing bipolar disorder and depression, but its effectiveness can vary from person to person. Additionally, lamotrigine has been found to be less effective in managing depression in people with severe symptoms. Resources for finding more information on Lamotrigine. If you are looking for more information on Lamotrigine, there are several resources available. The National Institutes of Health provides information on Lamotrigine, including dosing instructions and potential side effects. Additionally, there are several online forums and support groups dedicated to discussing Lamotrigine and mental health. Conclusion: Lamotrigine is a prescription drug used to treat bipolar disorder, depression, and epilepsy, and can be effective in managing mental health symptoms. It works by reducing the release of certain neurotransmitters in the brain, such as glutamate and serotonin, which can help to stabilize mood. Lamotrigine can also be used in combination with other treatments, such as psychotherapy and lifestyle changes, to further manage mental health. With the right combination of treatments, you can begin to feel better and manage your mental health symptoms in a healthy way. Thanks for watching.